Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are writing the word to match the picture. Our first picture is a picture of a pin. P-I-N, pin. And you can see that we have three letters, P-N-I, and we're going to use those three letters to write the word pin. P-I-N, pin. And I like to cross them off as I go so that I make sure to use every single letter. Please write pin. Our next picture is a picture of a pig. P-I-G. Our first sound, P. Cross off my P. I. Cross off I. G. Final sound, G. I used all my letters to spell pig. My next picture is a picture of a lip. O-I-P. Lip. First sound, O. Second sound, I. Third sound, P. Lip. O-I-P. Lip. My next picture, you can see the arrow is pointing to the lid. O-I-D. Lid. Please write lid. O. I. D. Lid. Very nice. Our next picture is sit. S-I-T. Sit. S. I. T. Sit. You can see on our next picture the arrow is pointing to the fin. Fin. F-I-N. Fin. I. N. Fin. Last line, our arrow is pointing to a rib. R-I-B. Rib. R. I. B. Rib. Our next picture is a can that is made out of tin. T-I-N. Tin. First sound, T. Second sound, I. Final sound, N. Tin. Our last picture is of a baby's bib. B-I-B. B. I. B. Bib. Way to go. Turn over your paper. All right, first grade friends, for this side of the paper, you will need a pencil and your highlighter. Please take out those materials now. We are going to be writing words and then highlighting the short I sound. Short I says I. Our first word we're going to finger stretch is the word big. B-I-G. Big. With your pencil, please write big. B-I-G. Big. Now with your highlighter, we are going to highlight the short I vowel. Short I says I. Please highlight I. Our next word is fit. Finger stretch. It. Fit. With your pencil, please write fit. It. Fit. Please, with your highlighter, highlight the vowel that says I. Short I says I. Our next word is kid. Finger stretch. K-I-D. Kid. Please write kid with your pencil. K-I-D. Kid. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel I. Short I says I. My next word is tip. T-I-P. Tip. With your pencil, please write tip. T-I-P. Tip. With our highlighter, we are going to highlight the vowel I. Short I says I. Our next word is. Finger stretch. Is. Is. With your pencil, please write is. 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 With our highlighter, let's highlight the vowel that says I. Short I says I. Our next word is did. D-I-D. Did. With our pencil, please write did. D-I-D. Did. Please take out your highlighter and highlight short I. Short I says I. Our next word is hit. It. Hit. Please write hit using your pencil. It. Hit. Please pick up your highlighter and highlight our vowel I. Our next word is win. Finger stretch. W-I-N. Win. With your pencil. W-I-N. Win. Pick up that highlighter and let's highlight our vowel I. Short I says I. Our next word is pit. Finger stretch. P-I-T. Pit. With your pencil, please write pit. P-I-T. Pit. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel that says I. Our very last word is in. Finger stretch. I, in. With your pencil, please write in. I, in. With that highlighter, pick it up and please highlight the vowel I. Short I says I. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the hard work.